Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out a tanning product with you. I've not done that before. And did I say product? I think I did. I meant product. So today we are going to be trying out Bikini Bod. This is the Skinny Glow Tanning Mousse. Thank you so much to Bikini Bod for partnering with me on today's video. I am going to have a promo code for you, which is BBAmy. I'll put it right here for you. This mousse is actually supposed to tone your body and also help with cellulite. So I want to tell you a little bit about it, and I want to get it right, so I'm looking at my phone. It's infused with guarana extract and caffeine. So it's going to help tone and tighten those troubled areas. It says that this will not rub off on clothes. It firms, tones, and slims the body. Who doesn't need a little bit of that? And I'm getting ready to go to the beach, so anything will help. Because the gym, I've not been there. It's supposed to provide a golden glow within 1 hour and reduce the appearance of cellulite. Now that is a big statement. So basically you are supposed to apply this everywhere that you want it and then wait either 1, 2, or 3 hours to develop your glow. I'm probably gonna wait around the 1 hour mark because I am such a fair person anyway. So I'm a little, hesitant to use it for longer, but maybe after I use it once, I'll try it more. It actually says you can sleep with this on for like the deepest, darkest tan, and it's supposed to not transfer at all onto clothing. So that, again, another big statement. So I'm really excited to try this out. You guys know I've been meaning to tan, and it's just been something that I've put off, or I've been doing other things and I haven't gotten tan yet. And I don't go out in the sun. I'm all about anti-aging. I don't want my skin to age any faster than it has to. So this kind of tan is definitely right for me. So I am going to try it out. I'm just going to do like my chest and arms and all that and let you see what it looks like. Now they say to prep is to cleanse and exfoliate beforehand, and also to like shave the areas like your legs and things like that you're going to be tanning. I didn't shave my arms. I'm not really like concerned about that, but I did shave my legs just to be sure that, obviously it's going to look right. And I did exfoliate as well. So when I showered, I actually used the First Aid Beauty Cleansing Body Polish, and this has charcoal in it too. So this is meant to like get rid of impurities, but it also has like a scrub to it. So I got my exfoliation done. It's been a couple hours since I showered. They say to do it fresh. I feel like I'm fresh. And I didn't put any like lotion or anything on. So this is basically like fresh out of the shower. And this is also supposed to be odorless. And now they did supply me with a mitt as well. Ooh, it's like velvety. So nice. So let's get ready. I'm gonna look at the directions really quick. It says to apply to freshly cleansed and exfoliated skin, massage in circular movements, use sparingly on hands, feet, and elbows. Wash your hands immediately after use. The longer you leave it on without washing it off, the deeper your tan will be. Okay, so I'm gonna do this portion. So I'm gonna show you guys my arms and all that good stuff, and then I'll do the rest. Don't worry, I won't do that on camera. You won't have to see that. But let's pump a little bit out. So we're gonna see. Ooh. It definitely doesn't smell like normal tanner. It has a scent to it, but we're gonna see like what it looks like on the body. So let's start. Ooh. Making me tanner already. I should also be clear too, I do not tan all the time. So if I apply it a little streaky, that's probably on me because I do not tan a lot. So it is very likely that if it's screwed up, I'll screw it up. I also didn't put makeup on my neck, if you're wondering.
No makeup. Oh, I'm probably doing a horrendous job. So look at it.
I'm trying to start on like the whitest parts and then go from there. Because I'm super white, like on the under parts of my arm. Thank God for that CoverGirl PR box. I'll have a foundation that matches. Time to do the rest. Okay, so I am all tanned up. I am looking darker already. The little color. Now this claims to be odorless. It really smells nothing like a normal tanner, which is crazy because even the ones that are like, oh, it doesn't smell, light scent or so whatever, they usually smell like the same, like self-tanner. This just smells like a light soap scent. That's as easily as I can explain it. Like I still smell clean. It just smells like just soap. Like if you washed in dial soap or something like that, and then like a few hours later you'd have like that light little scent. To me, it's very mild. It definitely doesn't smell bad, and it does not smell like a normal tanner, and it's definitely a lighter scent than that. So I put on my big Gumby shirt, so I'm going to be letting this sit. I'm going to wait an hour, maybe a little bit longer, and then I will take a light shower before bed, and then I will update you guys and show you what my tan looks like. Alright guys, I have worn my tanner for just over an hour, and I took a light shower as it says, so I basically just kind of like let it rinse off. I don't smell a thing on my skin. I smell clean if anything, but it's like barely there, and the color looks really nice. It's even, and like I said, I'm not an expert at applying tanner, but it looks really good. I am really happy. So I would say it's forgiving if you're not that great at applying self tanner, but I am really excited to leave it on for longer next time. I was afraid with me being so fair that it was gonna look kind of crazy, and of course I didn't tan my face, so I could use a face tanner, or I'll just put on a darker foundation and something to match, which I'm totally fine with. I really like it. We'll see about the long-term use of it. My skin feels great, I have to say that. Some tanners afterwards, after I rinse them off, I feel like a little bit dry. I really feel quite comfortable. I could put lotion on now or not. I'll definitely be updating you guys in my vlogs as well and letting you know how I'm liking it long-term, but as a tanner by itself, it's amazing. I think it works really great. I love that this does not smell like normal self tanners, because you know sometimes it just smells kind of like dirty. You're like, ooh, you got self tanner on. This one did not smell like that at all, and I know that's crazy. If I were watching and somebody said that, I probably wouldn't believe it. So if you guys, you know, if you want to try it for yourself to see, I understand, because I would be very skeptical as well. I will again link the coupon code down below if you decide to check it out. I'm really excited to see the long-term like toning benefits. I'll definitely, like I said, keep you guys updated. Bikini Bod for me is really good. I'm super excited about my tan, and I can't wait to see what people say. Everybody's so used to me being really pale, and like I'm fine with it. Sometimes I'll kind of like bronze my face, but it's nice that I'm gonna be able to look really bronzy all over, including my face, instead of just like, oh, I'm bronze here, don't look anywhere else. If you are extremely fair and you're afraid like, oh, I can't use self tanner, 1 hour is very natural color. I don't look orange at all. I think that's the really great thing about this, is it left my skin with like just a little golden and even more like bronzy, really no orangey look to it. I am extremely satisfied, so I'm so happy. And again, thank you to Bikini Bod for sending this to me, because I think I've just found my new favorite tan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. Are you thinking about picking this up? Do you think it's going to be toning long term? I am really excited to find out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.